Today marks 116 years of the Ahmadiyya Khilafat.
You search with a pure and open heart and you come in the presence of Khalifatul Masih, you would realize that this being is spiritual.
Clearly, without any filter, he speaks the truth to them, looking them in their eye, and says that if you want to establish world peace, these are the Islamic teachings which must be followed, and these are universal teachings.
So this is the blessing that we have. We have our Imam, who's a Khalifa, and we have our Jama'ah, where the people all come together and we're set on the course of Tawheed.
I will never forget, I will tell this story to my grandchildren, that Hazur looked at me with such calm and comfort and trust in Allah, and he said, don't worry about what the doctors have said. Nothing will happen to him.
How can we unite the Muslim Ummah in this day and age?
Good question, hard question.
When there was the Khalif, that's when the Muslim Ummah prospered.
Muslims are converting and they're coming towards Islam Ahmadiyya as well.
So I want to ask those people who tell me that this Khalifa is not a truthful man of God, show me another human being who can do this, who can tell you with such confidence through his divinely inspired relationship with God that nothing will happen to your child.